Hey, if you have any phone calls issue with your SONY WF-C700N, I can show you two methods how to fix it. So the first one, when you are connected with your earbuds and the phone, you have to open the Bluetooth settings, then click on the settings icon and tap on the switcher. Just be sure that the calls are enabled like this. But if this method doesn't help you, just put both earbuds inside the charging case, the right one and the left one. Then you have to locate this button, this one, and you have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking red. So let's do this together, and remember to keep that case open. As you can see right now, it is blinking blue, but after a few seconds it will turn red. There we go, right now it is blinking red, so it means that we are performing the hard reset, so we can release this button. And now just hold it one more time to enter for the Bluetooth pairing mode. So click and hold, take a look for the indicator behavior. There we go, now release, and then let's get rid of this previously connection, then reset your Bluetooth. And from here, from available devices list, select your SONY WF-C700N. Accept the pairing, and right now tell me if it works for you, and also please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.